a Fortnite theory I had that the Chapter 3 island is actually the Chapter 1 island, and you'll see. This is a Fortnite theory. When the 0 point destroyed the island, actually only extracted parts of it and rearranged those. During the black hole, Lonely Lodge, part of the desert and upper corner of the map were extracted. So, Lonely Lodge, after being taken away from the island, left a big hole where it used to be, which the Foundation soon occupied as a sanctuary. So, as you can see, Lonely Lodge used to be here, and when it was taken away, it left a huge hole in the ground. So yeah, that's where Sanctuary is now. The mountainy upper chunk of the island was removed, but didn't leave a hole like Lonely Lodge. Instead, under it all along was lots of mountains and bigger land. So basically what I was trying to mean is like those things sticking up in caves are these mountains. I forgot if they're stalagmites or stalactites, doesn't everybody, but yeah, like they're just really huge stalagmagtites. But yeah. Lastly, the upper part of the desert sand just blew away. It wasn't removed, the sand just blew away from the island from the apparent wind when this island was sucked up into a black hole. So what that means, if you watch the final few moments of the Chapter 1 island at the end of the end event, there's a lot of wind as the island sucks up into a black hole. But yeah. So, yeah. Obviously, Pleasant Park made it. Lonely Lodge made it. These all mashed together into the Chapter 2 map. Pleasant Park and Retail Row both made it, along with Salty Springs. Lonely Lodge was turned into Weeping Woods. Junk Junction, Haunted Hills, and the Block were broken apart and spread around the map. For example, Junk Junction was broken apart into those little junkyards like that one near Dirty Dock. So, like, there was like this car compact thing somewhere around here. It was near an abductor crash site, but yeah. And also, Lonely Lodge became Weeping Woods. It was just renamed. Retail Row was extracted in the same chunk as Lonely Lodge. It shows it down here, but it was extracted in the same chunk as Lonely Lodge and was put onto the Chapter 2 map. So back to the Chapter 1/3 map. Obviously, a lot of time has passed since we were last on this map. Snow has encased the island from the snow area on the first map. The Shifty Shafts digging site was moved to the northern part of the island because the old one was covered in snow. So basically, Shifty Shafts used to be down here, now it's up here. The reason why is because after snow encased all of the island, snow filled the tunnels and they couldn't mine anymore, so they went up here. And we all know due to leaks that the same thing also happens to Tilted, as it is completely buried under mountains of snow and will probably melt in the near future. While we were on our Chapter 2 map, what remained of Lazy Lagoon became Sleepy Sound, because Sound is a bay and Lagoon is pretty much a bay, and it looks like they're about the same size, and in the same location, so yeah. Sunny Steps became Ruins. This is an unnamed POI, but it's actually the ruins of Sunny Steps. If you haven't been there in Chapter 3 yet, I haven't either, actually. But I've seen it from the trailer. So, and then obviously the volcano was emptied of its lava and is now the Daily Bugle. So, yeah. Also, this has nothing to do with this theory, but I think the mothership in Chapter 2 Season 7 was able to abduct Chapter 1 POIs, remember from the minigame, because the last reality had the ability to travel between the two sides of the island. So yeah. None of these images are mine, they all come from the Fortnite fandom /wiki. Bye.